I was expecting maybe Josh was going to jump.
I think they cut away from it too fast. I guarantee you, Josh, like straight cannonball.
I think we would have heard about that. Bravo, really admire your bravery.
Great cause.
Yeah. All right, let's talk about the weekend, which is nice, and then what comes after the weekend, not nice at all. Frankly.
No.
Meaning to talk to you about that.
Yeah, this is like extremely cold temperatures and abnormally cold temperatures. So it's supposed to get cold in January. We all know that, but it's usually not supposed to get this cold in Pittsburgh in January for the temperatures we're expecting. But let's take things first. We have a system that's on the way, and late tonight, before sunrise, we see some snow and light rain trying to mix together. And this could leave for some slushy accumulations early on your Saturday. So if you have some early morning practices, you're traveling somewhere tomorrow, just know we're not expecting widespread problems out of this, but you might have a couple slushy spots, especially on back roads. This transitions to rain for several hours throughout the day until you get north of Route 422. The snow might linger a little bit longer up there, but this gets out of here, and then we see the potential for some upsloping and some snow showers to brush by the ridges as you get down into Garrett County and Preston County. So there are some bigger accumulations expected down that way, but the first little batch could bring us an inch or so, inch to 2 inches between Pittsburgh, Butler, up to Youngstown, Du Bois, and Indiana. South of that, we're not really looking at much of accumulation, as that's going to be more mixed on the rainy side of things. Now, the second part of this system, once the cold air starts to wrap in here, this will give us maybe another inch or so, and then you see those bigger accumulations up in the ridges. Now, again, we're not expecting big problems, and when it comes to winter storm watches, advisories or warnings or watches issued because of the snow, the Preston County ridges and Garrett County fall under a winter storm watch. And that's going to take us into early next week. Everybody, though, falls under the extreme cold watch. And this is where we have some issues. Our temperatures are going to start falling on Sunday. They're going to fall through the day on Sunday. And you'll notice Sunday's low temperature is going to happen right before midnight. That's Monday's high temperature as those temps keep falling, and they're going to fall through the day Monday as well. -2 on Tuesday, -8 on Wednesday for the low temperatures. With the wind chills, this is going to be some exceptionally cold air, as we could see it feeling like -25 in spots with wind chills. Abnormally cold air we haven't seen in 10 years. Is what we're expecting as we head into next week. Not tonight, though. About 30 will become cloudy, so clouds are going to come back in. Some light rain and snow try to move in as well. Those winds from the south keeping that little warm flow going in here. 39 with rain and snow, mild conditions for tomorrow. And from there, it is a huge drop in temperatures, and that's why we have some KDKA First Alert weather days on tap for early next week. You get into Tuesday, Wednesday. This is where we're expecting the coldest of the air, even though we're going to get some snow trying to take us through the weekend. Again, it hasn't been since February of 2015 since we have seen a -8 or colder reading. So it's been a while. You get to Thursday and Friday, temperatures do come up a little bit, but those temperatures are staying cold for this time of year as we stay in the 20s, with lows getting back into the double digits. So certainly a big change in temperature, but still cold even for this time of year.